Ni hao, welcome to another Archi Tour. Behind me is an Alexandra unit here in Lancaster, New City, Cavite. It has 3 bedrooms, 3 toilets and bath, and also meron tayong 2-car garage. So tara, samahan niyo na ako, ikutin na natin. Ito yung kanilang main door. Pero before natin siya pasukin, punta muna tayo sa kanilang lanay. So this is the space wherein we have provided yung kanilang lanay area. So this can cater for a outdoor dining. Ayan. Lalo na kung mahilig ka talagang mag-host ng parties, yan, pwede siya dito. And also, it can be a place for you to relax. So here is actually an extension. So pwedeng dito ka magkaroon ng dining set, or even a sofa set here para magkaroon kayo ng chill moments with your family on this side. Ayan. And then on that side naman is actually the rear garden. So as you can see, wala pa yung kanilang landscape here. Ayan. But we do have our fence. Ayan. And behind it is actually yung kanilang linear park. For their fence, what we use is WPC or wood plastic composite. It's a material that is weatherproof, fast and easy to install, termite and rot proof, no sealing or paint required, plus it has the look of a natural wood. Ayan, as you enter their main door, you will be greeted by their living room wherein meron tayong napakaganda na sofa here, and these are all from Red Tan. Si client kasi is from Pampanga. And what she told me is that sikat na sikat talaga doon ang Red Tan. So, almost all of her furnitures came from them. And, grabe nag-match talaga yung colors, yung style, the size dito sa house na to. The ground floor has an open concept plan, but we have installed some visual barriers and the sliding French door to distinguish the different spaces. And at the same time, useful din ito for the aircon consumption. So before tayo pumunta ng kitchen, which is behind this glass door, dito muna tayo sa aking right side, wherein ipapakita ko sa inyo ang kanilang napakagandang dining area. Of course, like the living space, yung kanilang furnitures is also from Red Tan. And as you can see, ang ganda ng ating background with the fluted panels, asbestos lime wash paint, and also our French mirror. For the dining area, we designed it to have a cove ceiling for the cozy ambiance and a pendant lamp to give the dining table added elegance. The eucalyptus really set the mood dito sa dining area. Tara, samahan niyo ako sa kitchen nila. So, as you can see, it is a U type of kitchen. Ayan. Napaka-spacious niya. Nakakainggit kasi ang ganda na talaga ng kitchen nila. And, of course, meron tayong yung usuals natin. Range, oven, range hood, and then our countertop. And then we do have their sink. Ayan, malaki and very deep siya para pag maghuhugas ka ng mga kaldero. And of course, yung ating signature na mga drawers. So here, of course, meron tayong cutlery tray. And then, yan, yung iba pang mga items natin na pwede nating i-store dito sa ating mga drawers. Then, of course, we do have this space. If ever na meron kang mga small kitchen appliances, you can put it here. We have provided enough na mga convenience outlet for that. And of course, a switch for all of our lighting underneath our overhead cabinets. This area is actually an extension of their house na ginawa nating kitchen space nila. Look how spacious it is, and you can still enjoy the perks of nature because they still have a setback at the rear good enough for their garden and a view of their linear park. Actually, all of their kitchen cabinets are equipped with dish racks and all of the pantry drawers. This one actually is a push to open, and then you'll have the access to your groceries na. So you can just pull this out and then reach for anything that you need. Ayan. Diba? Ang ganda niya. So kapareho ko rin ba kayo na ayaw yung dish rack sa ilalim ng cabinet? Well, this one is for you. So, meron tayo dito na bifold na door. Ayan, ang laki niya, diba? Of course, meron tayong pa-twist. Etong dish rack na to, you can actually pull this down and voila! You can access anything, ayan, and everything ng easier. And it's easy to maintain, ha? So, you can also, yan, lift it. And then here, yung ating door, don't worry kasi soft closing siya. And of course, close na close din siya. So, to prevent pests then to come inside. Here's a closer look at our pull-down dish rack. Ang ganda, di ba? Our cabinets then has pull-out trays for convenience and easy to use, easy to reach, and talagang useful ang space. On this corner naman, meron tayong narrow pull-out rack for condiments and spices. Sa mga mommies dyan, sino sa inyo ang mga tinatamad na maglaba? Raise your hand. Ayan, di ba? Behind this door is actually their laundry area. Siguro kung mas maganda yung laundry area natin, sisipagin tayo. So tara, silipin natin. So ayan, ito yung kanilang laundry space. And they do have, of course, meron tayong kitchen counter here again. So this can act as a auxiliary kitchen plus their laundry din. So meron silang mga cabinets here, whereas you can put all of the cleaning materials on this side. And then, ayan, may pa-towel rack pa tayo, di ba? Yan. So we do have overhead cabinets to store other stuff. And then, retractable na faucet. Ayan. And then, of course, ang bida sa isang laundry is yung kanilang washing machine. Ayan, di ba? Behind me is the door for the playroom. And then this side naman is actually their powder room. So tara, silipin natin siya. Our client wants a hotel chic bathroom defined by simplicity and a quiet touch of elegance. A guest powder room is pleasant, impeccably clean and fragrant. With the right amount of fixtures and the right amount of light, it adds a luxurious and artistic feel to the space. So let's take a sneak peek of their playroom area. Meron itong small sofa bed wherein it can be converted into a bed for their visitors, a TV, and storage spaces for the toys. So nandito na tayo sa kanilang second floor hallway. So on my right is actually their toilet and bath, and on my other sides are the bedrooms. So punta muna tayo sa kanilang toilet and bath. So we do have the same doors downstairs, and of course, as you can see, ang ganda ng kanilang toilet and bath. Very cozy, and then very simple. Tapos meron silang smart toilet, ayan. And then the shower area is big enough for you to comfortably take your shower. So isa sa mga features dito sa bahay na to is actually their smart toilet. This is from Moderno, and lagi talaga tong nakikita ko, and sikat na sikat sila ngayon. As you can see, you just put your feet there. Ay, tada! Pwede ka na mag-key and do your thing. One of the things I like about this house is their staircase. It has wood planks as the steps, high ceiling with a nice pendant lamp, and a huge window. Silipin naman natin ang boys' bedroom. As you can see, another furniture from Red Tan. Ayan. Tapos, our floor is of SPC flooring. We do have a nice rug here. And, of course, yung upholstery natin. Ang ganda rin niya. It matches everything. Plus, we do have a simple bedside table and floating shelves, of course. And a nice area for the wardrobe. Ayan, ito ay isang built-in wardrobe wherein it caters to the needs of the child. So one of the areas that I am really excited about is this bedroom because our client really tried to match everything that was in the perspective. So as you can see, meron tayong single-size bed, a bedside table, study table with the floating shelves, and a rack wherein maglalagay siya ng mga gamit niya with the bags and everything. Then we do have a barn door which has a full-size mirror for her OOTDs, which actually leads to her walk-in closet. It's a mixture of shelves, drawers, and the hanger rods for all of her needs. So perfect ito for a teenager. Ayan, nandito na tayo sa kanilang master bedroom. And as you can see, it's very spacious, diba? So they have their bed here, which is actually from Red Tan. The two side tables are also from Red Tan. And then, panning through this side naman, of course, by yours truly. O, diba? So, we do have their TV na i-wall hang natin here. And the dresser on this side. Are you wondering kung ano tong door behind me? This is actually their walk-in closet. So, it's a sliding barn door, and since may door na nga siya, we don't need to spend on the cabinet doors, kaya open concept siya. So, as you can see, it's a mixture of shelves, drawers, and yung ating mga hanger rods on this side. Yan, very spacious din siya, di ba? So, what's a master bedroom without their master bath? So, tara, silipin din na. So, it's the same layout as, oh, di ba, very sensitive ng ating smart bowl. Bumukas agad siya. Yan. So, it's the same layout. We have the lavatory, the water closet, and a good-sized shower area. Yan. Kung makikita nyo, even the tiles are very elegant. Ayan guys, hindi na ako nakapagpaalam kanina kasi nakipagtsikahan na si client sa akin and at the same time, napagod na rin ang buntis. Ayan. So, ika-34th week ko na and konting tiis na lang at hihiwain na tayo. Yun, kanina, tuwang-tuwa kasi si client and super na-appreciate niya every nook and cranny nung buong bahay niya. And what I appreciate most from them, kay Mr. and Mrs. T, is that talagang inayos pa nila yung buong bahay. They even decorated everything. Yan. So, gusto nila presentable ang lahat. Kaya, thank you so much talaga to Mr. and Mrs. T for trusting us with your home. And at the same time, yun, katulad nga ng sinabi nyo, more projects to come. Yan. So, yun lang muna. I'll see you next time. I hope you learn a thing or two dito sa vlog na to. And at the same time, if you do have design needs, yan, you can head on to our page and yun, message us there so that we can help you. Yun lang. Bye-bye!